In my experience, humans rely too much on their voice when they're training their dogs rather than using their hands to incorporate unique hand gestures for their requests. And it can be very confusing when you're just standing there saying sit, sit, stay, sit, sit, sit to your dog. So using your hand signals and your hand gestures is going to be very, very useful and valuable in helping to set your dog up for success. So that's what I mean as a concept of setting your dog up for success in that type of environment, considering the way that dogs see things. And once again, the binocular vision of dogs isn't as well developed as ours, because when we consider the position of our eyes, and of course they're facing directly ahead, we have overlapping visual fields with respect to our binocular vision. But if you consider dogs, the position of dogs' eyes, sometimes they're more laterally positioned. And the effect of this is that they have a reduced ability to perceive depth as well as see things in a three-dimensional way. So this is also very useful to know when we're looking at training with our dogs, because if we're holding our food lure too close or too close to them, and also the length of their nose can also impede their vision as well. If an object or like a food lure is too close to their nose, and then that can mean that they're going to be having difficulty in seeing that food lure when we're training with them. So that's another interesting way of how taking into account the way dogs see compared to us, and then using that information to help set them up for success by adjusting the way we train with them.